I'm Dr. Kristin Kidgell, founder of Natural Doctor Solutions, and I am thrilled to share some incredible news with you. We have partnered with Boston Heart Diagnostics, leader in advanced diagnostic testing, to bring you cutting-edge solutions for better health, often from the comfort of your own home with at-home testing kits. Boston Heart Diagnostics isn't just any lab. They're transforming healthcare by providing innovative testing that looks beyond traditional markers. Their mission is simple but powerful: to personalize heart health and chronic disease prevention like never before. Why am I so excited about this? Because Boston Heart specializes in testing that aligns perfectly with our holistic approach to health here at Natural Doctor Solutions. With our customized advanced panels, we can assess key health markers such as cholesterol, lipoprotein levels, which is diving deeper into your lipid panel for a better understanding of your cardiovascular health. Inflammation markers like hsCRP and homocysteine. These are essential for understanding the hidden cause of chronic disease. Advanced metabolic testing, glucose and diabetes risk panels, including HbA1c. And genetic testing, helping us uncover risks and guide personalized nutrition and lifestyle changes tailored to you. Just to name a few, we have a women's panel, balancing hormones, energy, and overall health. We have a men's vitality panel, optimizing energy, health, and performance. Also, a heart health, inflammation, and omega and metabolic test, unlocking the secrets to healthier heart and a balanced life. There is also available an essential nutrients and glucose panel to gain insights in vitamin D, B12, and blood sugar levels. How about inflammation and energy health tests supporting heart and brain while reducing inflammation? We also have a cognitive wellness panel discovering your omega balance, essential nutrient levels, and fatty acid ratios for improving mental function and clarity. With Natural Doctor Solutions, taking care of your health has never been easier. Start by ordering your at-home test kit directly from our website. Your test kit will be delivered straight to your door with clear instructions to guide you through every step. Complete your test in the comfort of your home, and this process is simple, quick, and hassle-free. When you're done, use the prepaid shipping label to send your sample back to our lab through FedEx or U.S. Postal Service. Your sample is analyzed under the highest standards in a CAP-accredited and a CLI-certified clinical lab, ensuring accurate and reliable results. In just a few days, your results will be ready. Access them through our secure portal, complete with personalized insights and actionable next steps to help you on your wellness journey. Taking the first step towards better health is that simple. Personalized care made easy with Natural Doctors Solutions. But we don't stop at testing. We empower people like you with actionable insights, innovative tools, and evidence-based recommendations that improve outcomes. We're committed to providing you with the most personalized care possible. What does this mean for you? It means access to the best diagnostic tools in the industry designed to help you understand your health on a deeper level. Whether you're working to manage inflammation, optimize your metabolic health, or improve your cardiovascular health, this partnership brings you one step closer to achieving your wellness goals. At Natural Doctor Solutions, we're always looking for ways to help you live your healthiest life, and partnering with Boston Heart Diagnostics is another step in that direction. Stay tuned for more updates and services we'll be offering you soon. Thank you for trusting us with your health. Let's embark on this exciting new chapter together.